Hello and welcome to a video where I'm going to be showing you how to do Yul-kok, the second green belt form of Tae-Kwon-Do. Alright, so you're going to start with a palm press, middle punch, palm press with the other hand, middle punch, pivot 45 degrees, right outside block, front kick, middle punch, pivot 90 degrees to the left, outside block, front kick, middle punch, pivot back, knife hand block, middle punch, step, knife hand block, middle punch, step, middle punch, side kick, elbow strike, and key up, side kick, elbow strike, twin knife hand block, step and spear thrust, pivot 180 degrees clockwise, twin knife hand block, step forward, spear thrust, pivot 90 degrees left, hammer fist block, middle punch, step, hammer fist block, middle punch, jumping X stance, land, key up, pivot 270 degrees clockwise, twin fist block, pivot 180 degrees, twin fist block, and key up. And that is it. If you enjoyed the video or were helped, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button on your way out if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.